What is up, everybody? We're about to go into the hobby shop and we're gonna pick up something new, and it's gonna be great. So I'm gonna go in there and grab this and I'll show you what it is. What's going on, everyone? I am back with the new RC truck. I just figured to cover it up and we'll unveil it. We'll see if anyone's guessing. I'll give you guys some time. Think about it. What is it gonna be? What's it gonna be? I got an E-Revo 2.0. I've been waiting and waiting. They were not in stock. I actually went and I was gonna purchase one. I was in line for it, but they wanted $600. I had recorded a lot of this stuff. I'll throw that in there. I went down to a hobby shop down in Sacramento, California. It's called RC Country Hobbies. Real nice store. They had a lot of nice stuff. I'll put up some clips. I shot a lot of stuff because I was going to buy the truck. I did a whole surprise the wife thing. And then we were in line. I kind of felt funny, but the price was very high. And I'm like, but they were charging $600. I paid $549 for this one, and they were doing some thing where you get points or whatever, and because I guess I spent so much, I got a battery too. I got $25 in points, so next time I go to the hobby shop I can use those and get $25. So if you think about it, that's another $25 off. Crazy.
I was looking for the To Me a Firefly because I saw it comes out about maybe.
Well, let me do a little search online real quick, and I'll see which thing fits the mold.
They have all the weathering kits. These are all the different ones. Wow, they have everything here. This place is crazy.
And then just run the
Yeah.
Mira, they have the green.
Yeah, this is the original one of yours.
Oh, that's the other one I wanted.
Right.
Together.
This is what you have, the newer one. Mila. They have a blue and green E-Revo. So I was super pumped about that. I was bummed out last weekend that I didn't get to pick one up, but I just wanted to be patient. I didn't want to pay the $600. I wanted to pay the $549. So that's what I did. So I'm gonna open this thing up, and we're just gonna get a quick look, and I guess I'll just overview it, show some of the stuff real quick, and I'm gonna make some good videos coming up with this. I'm gonna get a jump, and I don't know, I'm gonna try to send it and get some good bashing videos. It's been a long time since I've been able to do that. I just been using the crawlers and racing my Slash. But I just want to go out and just have some good old bashing fun. So I'm super pumped. So let's get this bad boy cracked and see what it looks like. Just joking. Okay. See what color I went with. No, I went with the color of this one because they had one on display and it looked really nice. The unboxing. At least it's something super cool to unbox here. It's not a very exciting unboxing, but I do want to at least do that with you guys here. Okay, got it the right way. I don't got a lot of room in this place. Okay, this truck is so big, you know. Oh yeah. Let's get this thing out. Oh yeah, there you can probably see by now. I went with the blue and green. It looks tremendous. Oh man, heavy truck. Jeez. Okay. What do we got? Stickers and tools and all that jibber jabber. Okay, here's the radio. Okay. Bam. Okay. Regular Traxxas radio. Oh wow. It just fits up on the workbench. It is a large truck. Okay, so you just unlatch the body, right? Oh yeah. Wow, that's cool. I like that. How's the rest come on? Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Look at that thing, looks mean. Mean and lean. Oh, okay, that piece is under that. Huh. The front does still. I'm gonna have to experiment with that. I can't understand. I think that that's supposed to go into there, but I'm not sure. Alright, I got this body down now. You can't do it. You gotta press the front down and then it slides right in. So then the back goes in nice and easy. Happy about that. The body's... So I'm happy about that. The body's pretty sweet. Alright, here's the truck. Whew, the suspension is really cool. Feels really stiff. The truck overall is quite heavy, to be honest with you. So here's my connectors. Battery trays. 2 servos. Let's see how those link. Oh, okay. That's what they use, so you can set that. These are guarded. That looks nice. Okay, let's bring you guys in close here. So here's the 6S motor. ESC uses those. That's nice. Your connectors. Cantilever suspension. It's got a nice wing on it. It is wide. She is nice. What a beaut. What a beaut. So it feels really good. Can't wait to get her out there, man. Look at this thing. Look at it. It is nice. Look at these big tires. They feel okay. I'm going to shred them up. Put something else on next. We'll see. But yeah, that is it, guys. E-Revo time. It's going to be sweet. I got stuff going on in the RC world here. I got new products to show you guys. I'm looking for them now. I don't know. Oh, yeah, here they are. I got these Yeah Racing jacks. I'm going to do a video on those. Those are sweet. I got this new fancy tow gauge from RC Setup Station. I'm going to be talking about that. Going to be bashing this. Summer is here, fellas. Alright, so that was my unboxing of the new E-Revo 2.0. That is her and all the glory. I cannot wait to get this thing out. I'll have to get some video. Thanks for watching.